Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential guide on how to allow Discord to access your microphone on your Android device. If you've been experiencing issues with voice chats or calls, this could be the solution you need. So, let's get started. First, grab your Android device and unlock it. Look for the Settings app. It usually has a gear icon and is often found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the Apps section. This is where all your installed applications are managed. Tap on Apps to move forward. Now, you'll see a list of all your apps. Scroll through to find the Discord icon. When you spot it, give it a tap. This will open up the app-specific settings. Next, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This is where you can control what access Discord has on your device. In the Permissions menu, locate the Microphone option. This is crucial for your voice interactions in Discord. Tap on Microphone to proceed. Finally, you'll be presented with a few choices. To ensure that Discord can utilize your microphone when you need it, select Allow Only while using the app. This setting allows Discord to access your microphone during calls and chats without compromising your privacy when the app isn't in use. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed Discord to access your microphone on your Android device. You're now ready to enjoy seamless voice chats and connections. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.